Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when the Windows cannot access the specified device path or file and you may not have appropriate permission. So this can be easily fixed by providing the administrator privileges. And the very first thing we need to do is to go to this Windows search tab here, and we need to type CMD so that we get command prompt options under best match. Here in this right section, please go to the run as administrator and then please make a click on that. Once you do that, you will get this user account control window coming up. Please just click on yes to proceed, and then here we have the black window. So all you need to do is just to type the same command that I'll be typing here. So please type net space user space administrator space / active colon yes. Again, it's net space user space administrator space / active colon yes. Once you click on that one, so the command completed successfully. Once you're done with this one, just close this window and then we will proceed with the run window. So to do that, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this run button here, or just go to your keyboard and then press the Windows R key altogether, and then you will get this run window. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to type control, and then we will be opening the control panel. So once done typing, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will get this window. So if you're not seeing your window just like this one, then just go to this view by option here and then click the category option. So once you have done that, you will get the same window just like this one. And then we will proceed with this network and internet. So once you click on this, it's user. It shouldn't be network and internet. Please go to user accounts. Now, once you click on user accounts, we will have again this user accounts option. So please make a click on that. And then this time we will be changing the account type. So just please click on the change your account type. And then from standard account, please select this administrator account here and then click on this change account type. Now once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then the next thing we need to do is to go and open the file explorer. So please search here in the Windows search tab file, and then you will get the file explorer option under the best match. So just please make a tap on that to open, and then once you have done that, you will get this PC option here at the left section in the window. So please click on this PC and then open your C drive there, or your main drive. And then once you have done that, all you need to do is just to make a right click of any of the folders that you see in this C drive section, and then make a right click on that, click on the properties option, and then once you do that, you will get this small window coming up. This is local disk C, or the C drive properties. And then here we need to go to the security tab, and then once you do that, we will be going now to the advanced tab. Advanced option here at the very bottom part. So please select or go click on the advanced. And then once you have done that, please go to this auditing. And once you click on this auditing tab, we will be seeing this continue button here. So do you want to continue? Just please click on continue. And then here, all you need to do is just to click on add. So this time we need to click on the select a principal. Now once you click on that, we will be clicking on this advanced button here at the very bottom part. And then we need to click on this find now. Scroll down a little bit. And we will look for everyone. This one. Now, once you have already selected it, just please click on OK, and then click on OK again. Click on the full control, or under the basic permissions, click on the full control. And once you have done that, click on OK, and then click on apply, and then click on OK. And then once you're done with this one, right click again on any of the folder. Just close this window as well as this one. Right click again on any of the folder here, and then we need to go to the properties again, go to security again, security tab again. This time we will need to change permission, so click on edit. And then here we need to select full control. And once you're done with this one, just go to this apply and then OK button here. And then just close this window. We will be opening the run window again. So please go to your keyboard and then press the Windows R key all together. Here we need to type msconfig, and then let me just, once you're done with this, once you're done typing this one, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will get this system configuration window here. All you need to do is just to go to this startup here, startup tab, and then open task manager. Here all you need to do is just to disable all the applications that are unnecessary or unwanted during startup, and you can do that simply by making a right click on that and then click on disable. But please leave enabled those that are needed during startup, just like third-party antivirus or the graphics. So applications like those. And then once you're done once you're done disabling the unwanted or unnecessary applications, then just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.